What's up guys, it's TJ and I got one of the Hot Wheels NFT Garage 10 packs today from the NFT drop. I'm going to be opening it up in this video and I'm going to be walking you guys through the process of me grabbing it. And it's almost 4 o'clock. We get to open them at 4, so I'm going to walk you guys through that process. Let's go. All right, guys, if you like content about crypto, making money, real estate, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because we're always bringing the tips and tricks to help the average person get ahead. All right, cool. So the clock says 4 o'clock, so let's do it. All right, let's go to our Wax account. You had to have a Wax address to be able to do this. All right, here's our 10 pack that we got. We're gonna click on Open Pack. And we are hoping for, I'll show you guys real quick. Scroll down, here's the rarity. So you got the base, you got rare, premium, and the, I don't know why they called it this, but NFTH. Treasure hunt is what I've seen it called as well. So, all right, I'm hoping we got one of these bad boys. That would be sweet. So let's do it. All right, choose our pack. Open Hot Wheels NFT. Please log in again. All right, let's log in again. All right, let's do it. Oh snap. Transaction request, send 1 FT to unbox NFT. Approve. Oh snap. See what we got. I am really bummed because I did get into where I could buy the 10 pack and you could buy up to 2. So I totally should have bought 2 of these, sold 1 10 pack and then opened the other. I'll show you guys, there were 10 packs that, you know, right after people got them, there were several sold at almost $500 for the pack and it was only 35 bucks to buy. Because they were so limited and scarce and it was hard to get in on the drop. So it was pretty crazy. The suspense though, whenever you're doing stuff with crypto, it's like, oh my gosh, did I push the wrong button? Did I lose everything? I'll show you guys while we're waiting on that. Right here, we top sells. These are the 10 packs. Look at this, 600 wax, which is $490. There's 2 of those. 410, someone sold at 410. Tons of like $400 packs. So like instant 10x on your money. Just being lucky enough to get in and get one of these, which is cool. All right, well, oh snap, oh snap. All right, we got a base, we got a rare, base. Oh gosh, lots of base. Oh, and 2 rares at the bottom. Okay. Snap. So rare was what, the second tier up? Yeah, second tier up. Dang. All right, so no treasure hunts, no premiums. Let's hit view in my wallet. See what this looks like. I opened up this right here. It took a minute for these to load, but they finally came through. So let's check these guys out. So let's see, when you click on it, just shows a bunch of info. There we go. Yeah, it didn't, a lot of the stuff was blank at first, so it took a minute, I guess, for it to download everything. So yeah, we'll zoom in like this. So pretty cool. Got 2 of these, looks like just different patterns on the paint. Let's see, these were all basic ones, I believe, base models. Yeah, it doesn't say base, but it looks like just the regular logo right here is the base, and then when you get to the black and white, that is the rare, that shows rarity. So this one actually got both the base model and the rare of this one, so that's interesting. And then, so that's cool. And then these are pretty sweet. So this is a rare one right here. Night Shifter. Got this guy. and the HW50 concept. This one's a rare as well. So sweet. And this guy. Well, cool. Well, no treasure hunts, no, what was the other one called? Premiums. So just rare. Got a few rares. What we had? Had 3 rare cards out of the drop. Not bad for 35 bucks. So yeah. Let's see if anybody's selling any of these yet and what they're going for. Let's see. This is what I was doing earlier. All right, let's see if anybody's opened. Yep. All right. So I already got a few people that's opened some up. All right. So 23 bucks for this one. That's the rare version. $6 for a regular one. See, that's a rare. So it looks like around 24 bucks for rare. $8 for that one, $32 for the rare version of that one. Let's see. Boom, boom. So yeah, so it looks like the base models are going from anywhere from like $5 to $10, and the rare ones are around like 25 bucks. 25, 23, 24, 32. So if I sold all of these, then you'd probably get $100 for them right now. All right, cool. So I figured I'd look up what the premium ones are going for. You can filter it by rarity. So it looks like a lot of these are around the $100 mark. 92, 88, 93, 105. So that's pretty cool. And then I don't know why these aren't loading. I don't know if it's just because everybody's loading all these on there at the same time. If you look at the highest rarity, man, this is crazy. 950 bucks, $1,010, 945, 1150, 3,500 for this one, 2186. I wish I could see what these look like, but insane returns, obviously, if you were able to get one of the treasure hunts in your pack. So let's go to top sales real fast. Top sales, man, someone paid $15.44. So these have already went through. These are done deals. $12.94, $11.49. Man, insane. So we'll see where it goes. I think I'm gonna hold on to them, see kind of what comes out of all of it. All right, cool. Well, we got another NFT. If you guys haven't already, make sure you check out the first NFT video I did about the first NFT that I bought and kind of that project, and also explain a little bit about NFTs. So if you're new to NFTs, it might be a cool video for you to check out. Make sure you guys show some love, drop a like. If you're not already, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, let us know in the comments what you guys want to see, if there's any projects that you'd like us to cover in the future, and we'll catch you guys next time.